Okay, so this is what I did with all like the gems and everything. Okay, so we got this kit that has 32 colors, gel polish in here, and hello, it comes with the LED lamp light and then a package full of goodies that has like the little glitters, the nail brush, the cuticle oil, the glitters, like hello prettiness, like okay. And then so this is the LED lamp light, and then the 32 different nail gels. They have numbers on here so that way you can see. But yeah, so I've never used gel nail polishes before, so that will be fun, especially like that color is so pretty. Okay, and here's everything sprawled out. This is what everything comes in this big kit. These nails don't come in there. They came in the Dollar Tree nail kit, but I'm about to put them on and then we'll go into the nail polish. Okay, so we're supposed to apply the base coat and then cure them. So I have filed the nails to what I want them to be, and then we're gonna put the base coat on and then cure them. Okay, so and it says cure for 60 seconds, so okay, so we're supposed to cure it and then apply a color and then cure in between colors. So okay, so we're gonna go with this lavender color, and then it just says apply a thin coat. Okay, so whoops, that the middle color is that shade. Okay, so then we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and then now you can just apply the top coat and then also cure it again. Okay, so this is what they look like after, and they're actually like cured and everything. So I will have to clean them up a little bit better to make them not as wonky, but okay, so I have these gems from Ioni. They do have their own kit, and I might add a few things in here, but I wanted also to like just bedazzle these up with some of the Ioni things from Dollar Tree. So these are kind of fun. They like come in this little container and there's a bag. I may like completely crazy. I cannot do it on this hand. I'm not good at using my left hand and doing that, so that sucks, but more professional and more playful on this side. So
it was honestly so nice to do an alting pet again after having locked myself to 530 kc. Okay.
Maybe 92 or 93. Aren't these Bronco made? Not anymore.